Healthcare practices waste over billions annually on a single administrative task, prior authorization. Let me show you why this is such a massive problem and how AI can solve it completely. Right now, Dr. Chen wants to order an MRI for a patient with back pain. What should be a 2-minute process turns out to be a 90-minute nightmare. The staff has to manually fill out the 10-page insurance form, write medical necessity letters, gather supporting documents, and then fax or upload everything, hoping that they got it right for the first time. With like a 30-40% denial rate, many of these have to be redone. And the result? Patients wait for weeks for the needed care, and practices lose their thousands in staff time. So let me show you how our AI agent transforms the process using a real case. Meet Sarah Johnson, a 45-year-old patient with chronic back pain. At 2:45 p.m., Dr. Chen orders an MRI lumbar spine in the Epic EHR system. Instantly, our AI agent detects the order and require prior authorization from the Blue Cross Blue Shield. Look at this. It automatically extract all the patient information, Sarah's demographic, insurance detail, uh, the specific procedural codes, and the NPI number. And notice how the system immediately flags these as requiring prior authorization. In the manual world, the staff would now begin the 90-minute paperwork marathon. But what happens with AI? In like a few seconds, the agent has analyzed Sarah's entire medical history using the natural language processing. Look at the clinical analysis. It found that she tried physical therapy for 8 sessions, took an anti inflammatory sessions for 6 weeks, tried muscular relaxants and chiropractic care. The AI agent read through months of clinical notes and extracted exactly what the insurance company needed to see. The conservative treatments failed, and imagining uh, is medically necessary. This is what would take a human 30 to 45 minutes of digging through medical records, and AI did it in seconds with 98% accuracy. Now comes the magic. Uh, the AI automatically generates the complete Blue Cross Blue Shield prior authorization form and writes a professional medical necessity letter. Uh, every field is filled out perfectly, from the patient's demographics to clinical justification. And look at the letter. It's professionally formatted, includes all the required clinical information, and presents a compelling case for the medical necessity. These would typically take around 20 to 30 minutes to write manually. And like the clinical staff now just has to do a 30-second review instead of the 90 minutes of form filling. One click review and just click submit. The agent submits everything electronically through the insurance portal's API and automatically updates the EHR. Sarah's chart, Dr. Chen, and the patient all are notified instantly. And AI continues to monitor the status, will automatically follow up with if needed, and even handles appeals if denied. The entire process that took around 90 minutes now just takes 45 seconds of staff time. But here's the real impact. The practice processes 100 prior auths per month. They've gone from 150 hours of manual work to like 1.25 hours, saving like thousands of dollars annually while improving approval rates by 20%. Uh, that's a great return on investment. So, yeah, from 90 minutes to 45 seconds, from 75% approval rates to an increased by 20% from frustrated patients waiting for approvals in days. That's the purpose of built building healthcare AI.